Factorizing an expression. Let's look at 2m squared in p plus 6mn cubed. So first thing to look at is the number of terms we have. We have two terms. Terms are always separated by pluses or minuses. And within the terms, we have just multiplication connecting the numbers and the letters. So what we need to do now to factorize this expression is to look at the numbers and see what is the common number, the common factor in these two terms. First thing is thinking about factorization as division. So what number divides both 2 and 6 evenly? So it will have to be the 2. So now let's move on to the letters. Check if m squared or anybody in this family is common. Yes, it is. So we can make m also a common factor. Check n, and yes, we have n in both gray boxes. N is a common factor. Check p. No, p is not a common factor because it's not in the second term. So now it's time to open the big brackets and start writing what's going to be left inside. So maybe what we need to do here on the side is write down the first term. And what did we say factorization was? Division. So let's divide it by 2mn. 2mn is our common factor. And now let's try to simplify if possible. So basically 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have 1. M squared divided by m. Well, what's going to happen there? We can say m squared divided by m is the same as m times m over m. And then one of those m's cancel out. M into m is 1. And 1 times m will be just m. So we go back here. M squared divided by m. 1m cancels with on the top with the 1 on the bottom, so we have m left on the top. Now the n's, if we can see it's tiny here, the n's cancel out. N into n goes once, but that p has nobody to cancel with, so it's left in p. So we have 1mp. That 1 we don't necessarily need to write. We can just leave it as mp. So first term mp inside the brackets. Now let's do exactly the same with the next one. We have to do 6mn cubed divided by the common factor 2mn. So do the calculation. 6 divided by 2, we'll have a 3 left. M cancels with m. Oh, I think, yeah, m cancels with m. Nothing left. So m into m is 1. So it would be like technically 3 times 1. And n cubed divided by n. If we have n cubed, we have n times n times n. So one of those n's cancels with 1 on the bottom. So we are going to be left with n squared. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3n squared. So that's the second element we have here. So the full expression factorized looks like that. If you can always double check if you are correct by expanding back, doing the 2mn multiplied by the first term, so that would give us 2m squared np, which is what the top is, and multiply that by the other one, 2mn times 3n squared, 6m n cubed, exactly the same as the top expression. So final answer, 2mn brackets np plus 3n squared, expression factorized.